Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make Revolve in SolidWorks 2025 oil on it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now go to Line Tools and draw from origin. Select. Now go to Smart Dimension. This line dimension 2800. Okay. Now go to draw line here. Particle, horizontal, particle, horizontal, particle. Select. Now go to Smart Dimension. This line dimension 235. Okay. Now this line dimension 5, this line dimension 50, and this line dimension 50. Okay. Now this line and this line gap 50. Okay. Now go to this point, control this point, vertical. Okay. Now go to this line dimension 1500. Okay. Now this point and draw angle line and draw vertical line and horizontal select. Now this point and this line dimension 1650 45. Okay. Or 1650. Okay. Now this line and this line degree 30. Okay. Now this point and this line dimension 1920. Okay. Now this line dimension 40. Okay. Select. Now this line dimension 20. Select. Now go to 3-point arc. This point and this point select. Now go to draw the hair center line. This center line control this arc tangent. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and select revolve. Now select this line. Okay. Now here select plain white. Now I am going to color. Now color select, face select. Now this color Bangladesh flag color. Now select hair and hair, hair and hair. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now I am going to hair another color. This face select. Now here give the color red. Select and select. Now select hair and hair and hair. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now I am going to hair fillet. Now I am going to hair fillet 20. Okay. Now I am going to color hair red. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now I am going to hair select shadow. Now you can hair fillet 1. Now hair select. Now hair select. Now hair select. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now I am going to hair this color black. This color black. This color black. Okay, select. Now here give the black. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.